Actually, that felt kind of good.
Of course it did. Do you smell what I smell, Nature Cat?
What's that scent? It's earthy. It's fresh. I like it.
Granny Bunny says that the smell comes from plants and tiny critters that live in the dirt.
So there's something else good that comes out of the rain. Interesting.
Check this out, you guys. Oh, sweet! I've never seen these mushrooms here. All of this rain must be bringing them out. They look like little umbrellas.
They're red and yellow and short and tall. It's like an entire mushroom village.
Okay, I must admit, these mushrooms are magnificent, especially this orange one.
Say what? Hey, it's the vernal pond where we met Vern the salamander. All of this rain is great for the animals that use the pond every spring.
It's beautiful.
That it is. And look at the little duckies. Oh, hi, duckies. Quack, quack. It's me, Hal. Bark, bark.
Okay, why didn't anyone say there were ducks out here? I adore ducks, and these are so cute.
Man, oh man! Check out how the raindrops are making ripples. Well, we can make ripples too. Check it out. You guys so gotta try this, yeah?
I can't believe I'd ever say this, but I'm sort of, kind of, enjoying the rain. And we've got the entire afternoon ahead of us. Nothing can stop us now. Except that.
Whoa, the rain's really coming down hard now.
Why? At the precise moment that I'm beginning to experience personal growth, must this happen? I mean, this is just too much rain, right? And now our day is ruined.
What are we supposed to do now?
Hey guys, what are you doing over there?
Reggie, what's happening?
Hey Squeaks, it's crazy. I just woke up from hibernating, and guess what? I am totally enjoying this spring rain.
Yeah! But how can you enjoy the rain if you're standing underneath this here leaf ceiling?
Even animals who love the rain head for shelter when it rains hard, Hal. And this spot's awesome! With the leaves overhead, it's so relaxing just listening to the rain.
You're right, Reggie. It's very meditative. So peaceful.
The sounds sure are nice, Reggie, but there doesn't seem to be much to look at under here.
Well, actually, Nature Cat, there's a lot to see. I was just admiring that field over there.
Okay. What about it?
Now, check this out. This is a photograph of the field from not long ago. And look how green it is now.
Ew! No way!
Yeah, way, Hal. It's the best. Spring rain turns everything green.
You're right. I hadn't even noticed.
And you see those plants over there, Nature Cat? They weren't there either. They just sprouted up.
What a sweet place for admiring the first greens of spring. Oh, and the newly budded plants.
Hey, it's not raining so hard anymore.
Wonderful news, gang. Where to next?
I have an idea. Who wants to go out and play in that field? Barebutt!
Oh, I do. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Reg, you in?
No thanks, Squeaks. Another reason why I like the rain so much, it's a good time to go off and hunt for some bugs.
Can't argue with you there, Reggie. Happy hunting. We'll catch up with you later.
See ya. Spring has sprung.
Nature Cat, aren't you coming with us?
I have spent almost an entire day out in the rain, but abandoning my galoshes and going barefoot? You insult me, good sirs. Go ahead without me. I shall watch from afar.
But Nature Cat, don't you want to frolic with us in the field?
And feel the mushy squish of the mud beneath your toes? To stand truly in the earth, feeling its power on the skin. Come on.
I'm sorry. I just can't do it.
That's okay, Nature Cat. I applaud you for setting boundaries. Al, Daisy, come on, let's do this.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is even more fun than I thought. I feel like the king of spring. Boing!
Oh, nature.
One with nature feels amazing. King of spring?
Playing out here is incredible, but I wish Nature Cat was here with us, too.
Yeah, it doesn't feel right without him. You guys, look!
Onward and out of the wayward! That felt amazing! I have to do that again!
Oh, yeah?
Way to go, buddy!
Yes! Personal growth! Woo!
Ooh, squishy. Who knew that being out in the rain could be such an incredible way to enjoy nature?
I did. Today